Welcome to Bank of Kigali's April Market Insights. Kwibuka is a time to remember, to honor lives lost, reflect on our history, and stand together in unity and resilience. As a nation, we pause not only to look back, but to carry forward the values of remembrance, strength, and collective responsibility. In that spirit of remembrance, on April 10th, BK Group joined the nation in commemorating 15 former Bank of Kigali employees who lost their lives during the 1994 genocide against the Tutsis. As part of the 32nd commemoration of Kwibuka, on this day, BK Group leadership, staff, families, government officials, and members of security organs gathered to honor their memory. A moment of silence was observed and flowers were laid, each gesture reflecting not only the lives lost, but the enduring legacy they left behind. Speaking at the commemoration, BK Group Chief Executive Officer Dr. Uzier Dadijimana encouraged reflection and responsibility, noting that in your daily responsibilities, embody Rwandan values and continue learning our history because much of what we have achieved is rooted in it. A reminder that Kwibuka is not only about remembering the past, but also learning from it to shape the future. With this in mind, in Ruhango District, Amiaga region, a new Genocide Memorial Museum is taking shape, set for completion in 2026 in Chinazi sector. The site will preserve the history of the former Ntongwe commune, one of the areas most affected during the 1994 genocide against the Tutsis. At its heart will be the Chambre Noire, a space dedicated to revealing those who planned and directed the atrocities, alongside the Jardin des Mémoires, a serene space for reflection and remembrance. A place where truth is preserved, memory is honored, and history continues to guide future generations. As we reflect on our history and resilience, we now turn to the economic environment shaping the present. Rwanda's inflation remained elevated at 9.2% in March 2026, largely driven by energy and fresh food prices. Globally, oil markets have been under pressure following the February 28th strikes involving the United States, Israel, and Iran, disrupting shipping through Strait of Hormuz, a key route for global energy trade. And when that gets disrupted, prices don't stay calm for long. As a result, energy prices have risen sharply. Locally, petrol prices have increased from 1,989 Rwandan francs per litre before the conflict to 2,938 Rwandan francs currently, while diesel now stands at 2,205 Rwandan francs per litre. So naturally, these pressures are feeding into higher prices for food and everyday essentials, keeping inflation above the target range. Now, on the finance side, there's a bit more stability coming through. On April 2nd, 2026, Rwanda reached a staff-level agreement with the IMF for a 38-month extended credit facility program worth $250 million, pending final approval in June. The focus here is clear: support private sector growth, maintain stability, and strengthen the economy's ability to handle shocks, especially in the global environment that's not the most predictable right now. In the medium term, this should provide some breathing room for businesses navigating rising costs and external pressures. And lastly, we bring it back home to Bank of Kigali's performance. The bank closed 2025 with strong momentum, recording a profit after tax of 110.3 billion Rwandan francs. The performance was supported by a loan book expansion of over 236.6 Rwandan francs, alongside customer deposits reaching 1.896 trillion Rwandan francs, reflecting continued trust and confidence and enabling the bank to support businesses and drive economic growth. Key financial indicators remained strong, with liquidity coverage ratio at 424%, supporting access to funds, while non-performing loans dropped to 2.9%, below the 5% benchmark, reflecting stable lending. Overall, these results highlight a strong finish to 2025 and a solid foundation for the year ahead. As we continue these 100 days of Kwibuka, we are reminded of the lives lost, the unity that holds us together, and the strength that carries us forward.